2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hi, my name is Chaim Nguyen. Do you know anyone who suffers from cancer or chronic headaches? Or do you even know any type of drug that can dull pain? Well, today I will give you some insight on a controversial drug called marijuana. Marijuana has been one of the most talked about drugs as of recent. As of today, there are 2 states, according to the norm.org, that have fully legalized marijuana. And also 16 states that decriminalize marijuana possession. Here I have a map of the United States, and the 2 legalized states is Washington and Colorado. Then you have Maine, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Delaware, Michigan, California, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, and Alaska, who have decriminalized marijuana possession. Marijuana is a type of flowering plant that contains the active constituent of THC. People typically grow these plants under certain conditions, and then they dry it and harvest it to sell. The active ingredient in this plant is consumed and has a psychoactive effect on the human body. These effects can include heightening mood or euphoria, relaxation, or increase in appetite. All of these effects have been tested on cancer patients, and according to the Huffington Post, these marijuana compounds can sometimes kill cancer cells. It also numbs pain and brightens the mood of the person. This is why some of the main cancer patients do marijuana or consume marijuana. If you know it's someone who has cancer, life can be tough, especially going through chemo. Patients become depressed and in pain. This is why marijuana has been talked about and medically legalized in many states. Also, marijuana has generally been claimed to be less dangerous than alcohol. According to High Times, marijuana has 0 deaths versus alcohol, which has had 2.5 million deaths worldwide this year. Also, alcohol can be very addicting, leading to permanent brain damage, where marijuana is less harmful and generally less severe than addicted to other substances. Generally, marijuana has been looked at as bad criminalization and harmful, but most people don't know the effects and facts about this drug. This drug not only has physical effect, but legalizing can also benefit the government through taxes and jail cells. Here I have a picture of the tax savings and revenue that potentially can happen through the legalization of marijuana. Total budget gain throughout the United States can be in billions up to almost 20 billion, as you can see from the chart. Not only does it create revenue to help pay off the U.S. debt, it can also make room in jails for more serious crimes instead of petty possessions for drugs. According to the nationalmemo.com, marijuana arrest now exceeds the arrest for possession. Marijuana arrest now exceeds arrest for violent crimes. The space in jail is wasted on those with petty drug possession crimes, while more serious crimes should be evaluated and used for. If you take a look at some statistics and keep updated on this controversial drug, you will see that this drug is harmless and has potential to do more good than bad. From general revenue to medical cancer help, this drug can potentially be legalized nationwide soon. So when the topic and votes come up, to be sure to evaluate and think positive on the benefits of legalizing marijuana and what it can do for the United States. Not only does it help you, but it also helps the nation and many patients that have cancer. Here I have a picture. Usually it's consumed through smoking, and it can also be consumed through oils or other types. Here I have a picture of it looking like it's medical use, and also a picture of a smiley face, effect that marijuana can have if you consume it. Many people still use it as of today, It's illegal, but it is widespread, brought in from other countries and stuff like that. Be sure to think twice when you think about marijuana, as also if you have a bad insight about it, there's also positive insights as well. Thank you. Yes.
How is marijuana consumed?
Marijuana is consumed through inhaling it, through smoking it. You can also try it through oils and different types of foods. Some people put it in foods and stuff. Any other questions?
What type of cancer does it help?
The main cancer it helps is leukemia, but it's also proven to kill cancer cells and other types of cancer.
It looks like marijuana is green, but what color is it mainly?
The main color of it is green, but it also comes in different colors like purple and orange strands, stuff like that. Thank you.
Now, you know the thing